Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, it's almost time for school. You know what that means. That means supplies. And these supplies are awesome. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second. But guys, this thing comes with a lot of stuff. 5 pens, 2 black, 2 blue, 1 red. Great for editing, great for writing. Comes with 5 pencils. Great quality pencils. Number 2, great for taking tests, stuff like that. 5 colored pencils. As you can see, red, yellow, orange, blue, and green. Comes with 3 highlighters, 1 orange, 1 green, 1 yellow. Great for using for different topics, different things, different ways to use that. 2 glue sticks. Everyone knows you need glue sticks for crafts and all those kinds of cool stuff. It comes with 4 erasers. Really big erasers, by the way. These are great. Some scissors, a pencil sharpener, a 1-foot ruler with centimeters as well, some crayons, 2 70-page notebooks, 1 yellow, 1 orange. These notebooks can go inside of a binder, which is awesome. Another standalone notebook. And then 3 folders, 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 orange. It even comes with a little bag to store all the pens and stuff. Because my favorite thing about this is that it just gets you started. It has everything that you would need. This is awesome because you don't have to go cherry pick everything at the store. You can just have it all at once and you don't have to go get a bunch of separate things. Now you can, but this thing is just a very great starting point without having to stress out and worry about if you have everything you need. This thing has everything you need right off the bat, and then you can get more stuff later if you need it, but this is an awesome starting point. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.